Hi, I'm Emily and I'm the founder of Bento, and today I'm so excited to be sharing with you V2 of our Figma community template. Now you might be wondering, why are you releasing a Figma template? Well, we actually did our first one earlier last year and got so much great feedback that it was a great way to help designers collaborate. Because one of the most differentiated things about Bento is that you can use it to extend your actual product surface area, whether that be a feature page or your in-product dashboard. And so here is an updated version with more components, more styling, and more ways to achieve your inspirations. Let us show you around. Like the Bento product itself, our Figma template operates with reusable styles and a library of components, each of which can be easily modified based on your design system. To get started, we recommend setting your brand colors, typography, and grabbing a few assets like a product image. Here we will go ahead and change some colors, as well as things like shadows. In real life, you don't even have to worry about setting typography and weights because Bento can inherit them directly from your page. Next, let's take a look at the different components that Bento offers. We call Bento an everboarding platform because activation goes beyond that first user setup. Checklists are great for that, but as you launch new features or try to upsell users on advanced functionality, overlays or empty state cards might be a better treatment. Bento offers all of those so you can build a cohesive experience across the customer lifecycle. Finally, to get some inspiration, check out the Remix page. Here we have taken some of our favorite examples of onboarding and activation experiences from products you know and love, like MailChimp, Calendly, and Intercom. And if there's one that you really like, we'd love for you to send it over and we can add it. These components are great, but I'd love to show you what it looks like to put them actually together. So this is a sample product called Acmeco. You can imagine it as a SaaS product much like yours. And what we've done is added an onboarding checklist, a set of upsell cards, and an educational video gallery. And now I'm going to show you what it looks like to actually build this within Figma. Hopping in, what we'll start with is actually a blank app canvas, and we will add in the components that we looked at earlier. Let's grab a compact checklist, one of our layouts, a set of these 3 cards, and a video gallery. Now that we have our building blocks, we'll adjust the sizing to fit the page. Your Figma components, just like the ones in Bento, are automatically responsive. Then we'll update the styling to match our brand and change the color styles from green to blue, the theme that we have. We'll also change the style of these checkboxes from fully rounded to ones with rounded square corners. And finally, we will change a property on these cards so that they aren't dismissible and tweak the style of these buttons. Now that you have this ready to go in Figma, we can actually hop into Bento to build them out. Hopping into Bento, I'll show you how to actually create this. From the guide library, we'll click Create New and choose from among a set of components just like we did in Figma. Here is an onboarding checklist that I had previously created. And what you can see is that the builder experience in Bento feels much more like a document editor and allows you to easily change and play with different styles. Here's that video gallery, as well as the cards that we had made before. One of the coolest things you can do by building this in Bento is actually target them based on different user properties, like someone's role. And this way you can really show the right users the right messaging that will resonate. Now that you've seen how easy it is to customize and style your templates, the next step is to collaborate with your stakeholders, get feedback, and of course, if you'd like to, launch and set it live for actual user feedback. As you can see, it's pretty easy to adapt from Figma to Bento, go live, and continue to iterate. We're excited for your feedback. Sign up for a free trial and tell us what you think.